Hello everyone and welcome to Salesforce FAQs. So today in this video we are going to create a screen flow through which we can create a record along with its related record. Like in this example we are going to create a screen flow through which we can create account, its related contact and opportunity. And for this we will take a single screen. That means in the single form user can create a account record along with its related contact and opportunity. So first let me show you a demo screen flow that I have created, in which I have created account records with its related contact and opportunity. So right now I am on the setup page of Salesforce, and from here we will navigate to the flow setup. For that, go to the quick find and here search and select flows. So here in the flow setup I will show you the screen flow that I have created. So this is the screen flow, create all records. So in this screen flow, there will be one screen, and to create the account, contact and opportunity, there will be three create record elements. And in the screen, you will see there will be only single screen in which user will give the input for the account name, contact email, opportunity close date and the opportunity name. So these are the required fields that we need to create the account contact in the account contact and the opportunity record. And make sure whatever the related records you are going to create using the screen flow, make sure that you have taken the required fields. So let me show you the working of the flow. So for that I will click on the debug button, and here I will click on the run button. So as of now I have not deployed this flow, so that's why I am showing you the demo in the debug window. So here we are going to enter the account name. So here in the fields we are going to enter the details to create the account along with its related contact and the opportunity. So I'm going to name the account as, so here I have entered the name as Dallas Chemicals, and the contact first name will be Kylie and the last name will be Jamison. And here I will enter a random email, and after this you will select the opportunity close date. So this is the, so here the opportunity close date is a date field, and after this we have to write the opportunity name. So here I have entered the opportunity name, and at last we will select the pick list for the stage field. So here I am selecting prospecting, and then we will click on the next button, and here you will see the record is created. So now I will take you to the accounts tab. There I will show you the created account along with its related contact and opportunity. So here from the app launcher we will navigate to the accounts tab, and this is the account that we have created right now. And here you will see the related opportunity and also the related contact. So this is how we are going to do in this screen flow, that using a single screen we are going to create a account record along with its related contact and opportunity. So for that we will navigate back to the setup, and before creating the flow I will just take few seconds to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So first let me show you the course content, then we will continue to the topic. So this is our newly launched the Salesforce admin course, and I will also mention the course link in the description from where you can access and view the course. So we have designed this course specifically for the beginners and the people who want to learn the admin part. So in this course you are going to get more than 50 hours of video content including PDFs and solution. And for this course, we have covered every module in depth. You can see these are the modules that we have covered in this course, that is Introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce Navigation and Setup. So in the modules, you can see the table of content so that you will have an idea what are the topics that we have covered in this admin course. And we have covered this course in 10 modules. So it will take you around 2 to 3 months to complete this whole course. And when it comes to the pricing, we have kept it $199 for the lifetime access. So once you purchase this course, you are going to get lifetime access for this course. So this was all about the course, and now let's move back to the top. So here we are back on the setup page of Salesforce, and from here we will navigate to the flow setup, and here we will click on the new flow button, and here select start from scratch and click next, and here select the option screen flow and click create button. So the first element that we are going to add here is the screen, so I will select the screen element. So first we have to enter the screen property. So I'm going to label this screen as create records, and the API name will be auto field. So for the account object, the required field is account name. So for that I will drag and drop the text component to the screen, And another field is the contact first name and the last name. So for that also we are going to add two text component, that is first for the first name and the second one is for the last name. And for the contact email, I will add a email component to the screen. And now we need an input field for the opportunity name. So for that also I'm going to add a text component to the screen. And for the opportunity close date, that is also a required field. I am going to add the date field to the screen region. And at last I'm going to add another required field, that is opportunity stage. So for that we are going to add the pick list field over here in the screen region. So let's define all the input field. So first one is going to be the account name, and here the API name will be autofilled, and you can also make this field required using clicking the required checkbox. And the next text field is going to be contact first name, and another one is contact last name, and after this we will write contact email. And now for the opportunity object, we will take a text field opportunity name. We will label the text field as opportunity name, and the date field will be labeled as close date. And now comes the pick list field. So what you have to do in the pick list, you have to map the pick list value from the opportunity object stage field to this pick list field that we have added on the screen. So how we can do that? So here first label the pick list field. So here I'm going to label it as opportunity stage, and then drag down to the section choice. So here click on new choice resource, and here select the option pick list choice set, and here we have to write the API name. So I'm going to name it as stage opportunity, and the object here will be opportunity. And after this we have to select the data type. So this is a pick list data type, that is the opportunity stage is a pick list data type. And here we have to select the field. So the field will be stage, that is the stage name. So with this we have defined the resource and mapped the opportunity object stage pick list with the pick list field in the screen flow. So here at last we will click on the done button. So at last click on done button. And now we are going to add three create record elements, one for the account, another one for the contact, and the last one for the opportunity object. So here we are going to add create record. It will be create account, and the API name will be autofilled. So here select the option manually, and the object will be account. So here we have to map the account name with the value of input that user will give in the screen flow. So it will be create records account name, and that's it for the account. And now comes to another object, that is the contact. So here I have added another create record element. It will be create contact, and the API name will be autofilled. So here also we have to select manually, and the object this time is going to be contact. And here we have to map the last name. So last name will be mapped with create records contact last name, and also we will map the first name. First name will be mapped in the same way, that is create records screen, and then contact last name. And one more field for the contact record that we have added is email. So it will be create records contact email and value. So here we have mapped the required fields of the contact object with the input fields of the screen flow, and at last to establish a relationship of this contact record with the account that we are going to create through the same screen. Here we have to add the account ID field also, because without this you won't see the uh, created contact in the related contacts of the account, and same goes for the opportunity also. So here I will select account ID, and from the value you have to select account ID from create account. So with this we have mapped all the fields for the contact object, and at last comes the opportunity object. So for this also we are going to add a create record element and label it as create opportunities. and the API name will be auto-filled. So here select the option manually and then select the opportunity object. And here we have to map the fields, that is close date. So it will be mapped in the similar way like how we map the contact and the account records. So it will be create records and up- the close date. And for the name, get records, opportunity name. And for the stage, create records, opportunity stage. And to make the created opportunity as a related opportunity of account, we will map the account ID field here also. So here select account ID and then value will be account ID from create account. So with this we have completed the flow. So at last we will click on the save button, and here the flow label I am going to give it as create related records using flow, and here click save. And if you are going to deploy this flow anywhere on the lightning pages, so for that first you need to activate the flow, and I will show you the working of the flow in the debug window itself. So for that I will click on the debug button, and here click on the run button. And now we have to enter the details like how we did in the demo. So here I will enter the account name. So here we have entered account name, contact first name, contact last name, email, opportunity name, and then we will select the close date for the opportunity. And now at last select the opportunity stage and then click next. So now you will see the flow run successfully and the record is created. On the right hand side you can see the debug details, that how flow run and the records were created. So from here again I will navigate to the accounts tab, and here you will see this is the account that you created through the screen flow. And here in the opportunity you will see the related opportunity, and here in the contact you can see the related contact that we have created using. So this is how you can create records along with its related record using a single screen in a screen flow. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.